afraid to check your bank balance every now and then? Now, whenever you are checking your bank balance, you are always afraid to check the balance because it stresses you out. And does that thought of money makes you more anxious and worried? If yes, you are not alone. But here's the truth, avoiding it won't fix it. It only making it worse. Now, when you ignore your money, you are telling it that you don't care about it. And guess what? Money responds to you how you treat it. And this creates a toxic cycle of fear, avoidance and stress. But it doesn't have to be this way, isn't it? Now, here is how you can rebuild in harmony with your money. First, start small. Check your balance daily, even if it is uncomfortable, even if you have a less balance, zero balance, or it is in a negative balance. Second, say thank you money for what you already have. Gratitude attracts more abundance in your life. Third, track every expenses. It brings you about more awareness but not an judgment. And these simple steps helps you to create that healthy relationship with money. So are you ready to take control of your relationship with money? So if you want to learn more, join my free WhatsApp group, and also you can join my 14-day money challenge where I will be able to help you to completely shift your relationship with money. So I'll see you there. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please press like button and also comment your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.